West Karbi Anglong District Mokoiram along Mobile Tower kekim ponji adim along ASDC lapen KSA kahumri dam. Pini West Jankia Hills Srimati heki khumi hekar puwa bangphi. Mokoiram along Network Tower ke ponji adim along ASDC lapen KSA pen mantu neta chikroi dunikthi. Laan chotkali kapre scheme tame dopikla. Mokoiram along sainang kiding laswa jok sipini ASDC lapen KSA atup kahumri dam. Lapen non head jong Assam government pen Meghalaya government ang bongka chingki. Give and take policy alam kia puthak tame KSA ASDC atup mantu neta chikroi dunikthi puta inchi. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lapen Assam government apan give and take policy puthak ASDC songjapo sarsing ingling lapen Mokoiram teron KSA CEC pachithang chun bangatum. Phirangkia thing pen sodak pen pachini ponalam non arjuponitha.
Today with the Karbi Student Association and along with the Autonomous State Demand Committee, today we came to we have visited the place called Mokoiram, and we got information that the government of Meghalaya are planning to construct a mobile tower in Mokoiram. So for that purpose, we came here and visited this place. And first of all, and we Karbi Student Associations vehemently, strongly protest against this construction of mobile tower in Mokoiram, because Mokoiram is part and parcel of Karbi Anglong, and we cannot accept or we cannot endorse any development initiative undertaken by the government of Meghalaya. Today, why this kind of development activities are going on from the Meghalaya government? The reason is that the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and government of Meghalaya or government of Assam have failed to take any measures to develop this in border places. Today, if we observe clearly, we could see that there is lack of infrastructure development here in the border area, such as schools, hospitals, electricity, clean drinking water. Due to the such failures from the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and government of Assam, today the government of Assam or government of Meghalaya have got the opportunity to snatch our land. So we, the Karbi Student Association, vehemently condemn, and also we would like to appeal the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and government of Assam to take developmental steps as early as possible, so that we can protect our border securely without having any problems from our neighboring states. And also, as government of Meghalaya and government of Assam are initiating talks to resolve the border disputes. So, and also they have initiating a policy called give and take policy to resolve the border problems or border issues. We Karbi Student Associations oppose the give and take policy because our Karbi Anglong district boundary are well demarcated on 13 April 1951 through the Gazette notification, and we, the Karbi Student Association, want that boundary to be as it is since 1951, and we don't accept the give and take policy because we have nothing to give to the government of Meghalaya, and also we have nothing to take from the government of from Meghalaya. So that's the reason we, the Karbi Student Association, vehemently oppose the give and take policy. And also in future, if such steps are taken by both the governments of Meghalaya and Assam, we, the Karbi Student Association, will vehemently protest, and we will even give our blood if an inch of land are given to our neighboring state. So through this media, we would like to appeal to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and government of Assam to develop the border area not only in Meghalaya but in other part of border area as early as possible, so that we can protect our border as it is. Since our honorable CEM Tuliram Ronghang, he always always says that in every public meeting that our Karbi Anglong land is 10,434 square kilometer. He always says that. But today, if we see the scenario pragmatically, today the border of our Karbi Anglong are half of the portions are snatched by our neighboring states. So we appeal to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, our CM Tuliram Ronghang, to protect our border by bringing developments in the border area and also by establishing police stations and other paramilitary forces battalions in the border area so that we can protect our border and also we could avoid untoward incidents in the future. Yeah, thank you.
Pininilitum ladak autonomous state demand committee la pen Karbi lu charli a song hini a song litum chilang pet pen dak Mokoiram hawar ke banglam thei bangela henlo jendon malam jasemet Karbi Anglong along li Karbi Anglong hawar arlu Meghalaya government hin pen ason development la kam nangi claim chong hu la sona birtan litum long la pen ki theklong sami dulu la sidak Mokoiram long le thor sitami la tum Meghalaya government hin pen si telephone tawar nang ki eji polam thei dulu silhai adim kadu wi nangi lang phonsi pinitum wang la si piniladak ni tum Karbi Anglong Meghalaya ahoy ahawar pen klardak Karbi Anglong arat Karbi Anglong tur Mos Council pen Assam government aphan nilitum kapachini jelam theke la henlo sodak pen 1951 aninkan 24 November nilitum Karbi Anglong district Shillong tanglo la pen India constitutional long mat pusta nilitum isia constitutional isia position tami hadak nitum Shillong dunlo la si non pinia bang akola bang so Assam sarkar atum ajhaga conspiracy a horizontal Meghalaya sarkar atum conspiracy a horizontal pen ajok so give and take a policy tang ho pe nil hailam pen block 1 block 2 ahoy thirthe tang ho pul hailam ni jetab ni je phu pen ladak suluk sodak isa tomon alang tum kape japji phan kabor ila bang ni tum che don thekte la si nilitum bangge pudagalam lo ASDC la pen ka brushar le song atum ta je ni tum pichimuni sialong le si tame 1951 aning kan ka Shillong tang abandure teng pen aka prek state fan ki PG alam thekini tum che don thek thela bangke la loi silam la pen ge non patumi Meghalaya chief minister Assam chief minister sheng wailo je give and take policy plus so give and take policy ane tum directly ni tum reject lo flatly reject lo la kel tum che kroi thek the la si ni tum bangalong le ta thi dun de ni tum long le ta bang han pa pilong le la ke la penon son thom ni tum da ke theklong mai lo jo semet adui a hoy ke du a hawar along Karbi Anglong autonomous council la pen Assam government a hin pen amata kaching thu rawar sai ke claim poni tum dak theklong li to war ave ki juna lang ave la pen ke rihinga mi ka via jok e kacharli war sai ki mission ka via jok ki sugochelang fan hospital la hai ka via jok Meghalaya sarkar hin pen la hai son development la kam nang ki claim pen tum hawar along li phelang nang chira ji fan isi angrop long lok la sikar Bengalong autonomous council la Assam sarkar phanil tum isi ka chunigri isa demand ke la henlo nangli tuma hin pen prabjin pen di phualong la building isi hini kimlok dongka mukama philalong la building isi hini kimlok ke Karbi Anglong ka chingthur punang tum pudam un elake asi chokchi asi la Karbi Anglong autonomous council team Karbi Anglong dak MLA dak MP phan tum chunigri lo je nang tum Karbi Anglong atok anu nangli tum damra nangli tum kachari nangli tum ke theke man ila bang so rat arong ruba ju arje nangli tum chelam tha la sing tum bisa demand ke la he je autonomous council la pen Assam sarkar hin pen adui ahoy ke rai komji phan adui ahoy along ke du amri chinthong la pen ke socheng amreng jaseme jiri kindeng mukoilum umkhirmi pendang lok labang so dak arting Mokoiram hawar pusami kaching thu rawar sai ki claim ji phan sinitum Karbi Anglong autonomous council ba Assam sarkar phan tum chuningri lo la pen any kind of any move la so Karbi Anglong long le ka prek ahwar phan aka prek state phan ki PG pug laga ni tum che don dundelo pen Karbi Anglong long ri ka che rai kom thepji phan ke hajat aka che songang deng answer mi tum ke deng ji phala gali tum chi siglo la bangke la simula so Karbi Anglong long le ka che rai kom ji phan dak rathur paka ka che song pinile du kok pusita la ke sarkar atum si ke chok che po sarkar atum si la ke adai chi enang po pusuni tum pinidak ahoya along penamasi Karbi Anglong autonomous council
Hamlen pen Bidya Ramingling report Karbi Daily News